Hello, my name is Calvin Mata, and this is enhancement 4, and I'll be showing you my product management page. First of all, I'm going to click on my add category, and then first of all, I'm going to do register without adding any category. It's going to show a message that's going to say that I had to add the information. Now I'm going to add my categories. Cool. Then I'm going to register it. He added it here. You see it here. Now we're going to add product. Product name. We're going to product description. Product type. Product stock. Product size. Product A. Product A. And this is my add category here. Drop down. We're going to go low. 5. Product type. Big. It shows here. Perfect. Then now we go registered. Now we're gonna go here and checked. It says here the message. Thanks for registering the product. We're gonna go to my database. Check categories. Here, I'll check browse. Here it is, Lolo. Now I want to check inventory. Click on inventory, browse. Scroll down. It's here. It's supposed to be fireworks. It's fireworks, loud. 4, 5, big. It's there. Took me a while, but pretty happy for the results. And also it's gonna be a couple minutes late. I just didn't manage my time really great, but then here is my my HTML. Checking my HTML, and it's working fine. It's just the error for the PHP because it doesn't take the HTML. This is my second view for my HTML. Everything is great. And then this is my HTML for the adding category for the product. Sorry. Works fine. Just these errors here for the PHP. So that's because it doesn't handle it. And then the CSS and validation for my CSS, and it works fine. It's great. Thanks.